To dismantle the matrix and rebuild a new one, humanity must first recognize the fundamental aspects of the existing system that perpetuate control and inequality. The matrix is a complex web of societal structures, institutions, and ideologies that have been woven over centuries to maintain power and privilege. To dismantle the matrix, humanity must collectively confront and challenge the following key components. Break free from the conditioning and indoctrination that perpetuates division, ignorance, and apathy. Engage in critical thinking, self-reflection, and open dialogue to recognize the patterns and systems that perpetuate inequality. Identify and dismantle the power structures that perpetuate control, such as the elite 1% corporations and institutions. Encourage decentralized decision-making and participatory governance. 3. Language and narrative control. Recognize the role of language and narratives in shaping perception and reality. Develop inclusive language and challenge dominant narratives that perpetuate inequality. 4. Economic systems. Challenge the dominant economic systems that perpetuate inequality and promote sustainable, equitable, and transparent systems. 5. Emotional manipulation. Recognize the role of emotional manipulation in maintaining control and propagate emotional intelligence to foster empathy and compassion. Once the existing matrix is dismantled, humanity can begin to rebuild a new one based on principles of interconnectedness, equality, and equity. 1. Interconnectedness. Recognize the inherent value and worth of every individual and foster global citizenship. 2. Equality and equity. Establish systems that promote equal access to resources, opportunities, and decision-making. 3. Transparency and accountability. Develop systems that promote transparency, accountability, and participatory governance. 4. Holistic development. Foster a culture that values individual and collective well-being, spiritual growth, and environmental sustainability. 5. Empowerment. Encourage self-empowerment, self-expression, and collective action to create positive change. To facilitate this transformation, humanity can leverage innovative technologies such as 1. Artificial intelligence. Develop AI that prioritizes human values and promotes equitable decision-making. 2. Blockchain. Utilize blockchain technology to create transparent and decentralized systems for governance, economics, and communication. 3. Energy and transportation. Develop sustainable energy and transportation systems that reduce environmental impact and promote global connectivity. 4. Virtual and augmented reality. Leverage immersive technologies to promote empathy, education, and experiential learning. 5. Biotechnology. Explore biotechnology advancements that promote individual and collective well-being. Ultimately, dismantling the matrix and rebuilding a new one requires a fundamental shift in human consciousness. Humanity must prioritize empathy, compassion, and collective action to create a new reality based on shared values and principles. As individuals, we can contribute to this transformation by 1. Practicing empathy. Recognize the inherent value and worth of every individual. 2. Cultivating compassion. Develop emotional intelligence and promote collective well-being. 3. Challenging the status quo. Encourage critical thinking and challenge dominant narratives. 4. Embracing diversity, celebrate individuality and promote inclusive language. 5. Fostering global citizenship, recognize our shared humanity and collective responsibility. By collectively working towards dismantling the matrix and rebuilding a new one, humanity can create a more equitable, sustainable, and compassionate world. A better world for future generations.